Alright, so we got both cylinder heads out, and we've cleaned up the edges where the head gasket's going to go. We've made them nice and smooth. We've also, what I've done here with these rags is I've got some cleaner soaking the rags, and I've put the rags right up against the piston heads so that we can get a nice clean piston head, just like you can see over here. It's pretty clean. It was, hang on. That piston head was filthy before. Now it's nice and clean. That's thanks to some barbecue cleaner. This stuff right here. It's pretty caustic. It's nasty stuff. But as you can see, it does a pretty good job of cleaning carbon. Just kind of put it on there, let it sit, and then wait, and then wipe it off. It's pretty good stuff. Anyway, so next step here today, I'm going to replace the thermostat. On this vehicle, the thermostat is in an aggravating spot right down below the return line for the radiator fluid for the coolant. So I've got to take off these 4 bolts and pop it out, put a new thermostat in. Before I take the thermostat out, I'm going to clean the surrounding area so as not to contaminate the coolant system. And this thermostat looks brand new. Alright, with this thermostat, there is a direction that needs to go. This little tab needs to be pointing towards the cab. This thermostat literally looks like it got put in last week. It's mint. You do not really need a new thermostat. Alright, ready to put the new thermostat on. Whatever, close enough. Okay. Give the bottom a quick wipe.
Oh yeah, fuck, nothing gonna go wrong there.
All right. Take that in.
This end?
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
The fuel pipe? Fuel rail? Okay.
The bucket is moving.
You chose a bucket to stand on.
I did choose a bucket to stand on. Fuck. This is not good. gasket look?
It's still there.
On the right spot?
Yeah, it's on the right spot.
Alright.
See if we get this on there.
I don't know which way to go.
Up.
Up?
Up. Or, well, sorry. From your orientation, up.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Woo! Holy crap. It's on.
Okay. Or rather, I guess forward from your orientation. But still.
Now we're
forward
sure
enough.
that the gasket didn't get dented or whatever like
When it kind of like blocked, we can lift it back off and take a look.
So fingers crossed that it didn't. All right.
Well, take a look.
That one just went way down into oblivion and not into an actual hole. So what the hell did it just go down into?
Well, you do have like oil drain holes and stuff.
Magnet. Magnet.
Just plop it down into one of those.
Yeah.
Oblivion.
Okay, I need a flashlight. I can't see where I'm going with this.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. That goes.
How's that for freaking you out?
Okay, now I'll do the 20 pounds. $20 pounds?
20, 21.
Okay.
Above it. Should brought my torque wrench.
Yeah. Okay.
And
Here.
yep.
All right. This one again.
Yep. 47 foot pound. 47 foot.
pounds?
Foot pound. Pound foot, whatever number.
Right above it.
Yep.
This one? one.
Okay. The other side?
Well.
Well, yeah, because I don't think you're putting it in there by yourself. With that pump in the way.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, White's going to be down here. I gotta go.
Good. Get it done. Take that out again. So it's just the pump that's in the way for this side, right?
Very much so.
For some reason it was a fucking pain in the ass to get out regardless, but...
And then cupped back in around it.
Of course the exhaust.
We're going to find out, aren't we?
Mm. Yeah, I'm just gonna fill the whole coolant system with, I didn't even buy antifreeze. I'm gonna fill it completely with water, and then I'll run it for a minute and then flush it out. And then I'll fill it up with antifreeze. Okie dokie. Excuse me. Fucking flaming my hands here. Oh. You like that?
Oh, bad can happen here. Reading a little bit now. Crush the power steering pump.
Before I try to grab these.
Let's them go not. Is this on that side?
Yeah, I kind of tucked it in here for now, just to get it out of the way.
Okay.
Get this side off my arm. There you got it.
Grab the. Okay, I can't do the maneuvering, but you gotta go. That makes sense.
Please hurry. Oh, crap.
Just hold. I'm trying to grab it. Okay.
Oh my god.
Alright, we haven't hit anything, we're just sitting on it. Want to see which way it needs to be situated?
Oh shit. Wow. I'm in pain. Oh man.
The gasket's still good, nothing happened to it.
That's good. Alright, welcome back. This is now day 3. Well, not really day 3 because first day I only spent like an hour on it. But I've gotten down to... We got the heads reinstalled. And so head gaskets are in, heads are reinstalled. All the head bolts are torqued to 47 foot-pounds. And we also replaced, well, we didn't replace, but we re-siliconed up we put some RTV on the end caps for the shafts, for the camshafts on all 4. So I've retorqued these all down to about 7.5 psi or foot-pounds, not psi. Why am I saying psi? Cleaned out a little bit in here. We replaced the thermostat, and now it's time to go ahead and put the valve covers back on. And to do that, we're going to silicone all of the sharp corners and a little bit around the outsides here. Now on the bottom row, I like to put a really fine layer of silicone on there. Now it's not actually a recommended thing to do, but the reason I do it is because, you know, especially the back corners are the corners that tend to leak first. So I found that putting just a really, really thin film of silicone on there stops that from happening. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching part 3. Stay tuned for part 4, where I install the valve covers, the valve cover gaskets, the intake manifold, and put the rest of the engine back together. Again, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Take care.